My name is Albert Ruck. I've been with Beckwood 2.5 years, and I am a manufacturing engineer. Today we're going to walk in my shoes. My role is to bridge the gap between engineering and production. Originally, I started here as a senior craftsman. So from welding to hydraulics to electrical. My actual big background before I came here was process piping. So they brought me in as the subject matter expert for the process piping and fabrication portion. Because I know both sides, I'm able to help the engineers practically design things that are manufacturable. And then with knowing the shop, if the guys need help with something, I can physically go out and show them how a process needs to be done and why we do it that way so that they better understand in the future. I think my role impacts the customer just as much as bridging the gap, because the customer's getting the practical application knowledge, which is huge when you think of things like maintenance. So I look at things and I will tell them to change angle of valves to make it easier for the maintenance man to come back behind. And